Okay, welcome back mga ka-vlog PH. So, update tayo ng weather sa Boracay. By the way, I'm using my paid weather app because sharing is caring para hindi ka nabibili. Okay, so October 1 tayo, no? Okay, 8 a.m. ng October 1 and then yung next 24 hours niya, titignan natin dito sa isla, 0.5 mm. Okay, so halos walang ulan yan. Okay, so maganda yung panahon. And then, tignan natin ng after 24 hours, Wednesday, October 2, 0.4 mm, maganda pa rin yung panahon. And then, Thursday, October 3, 1 mm. Okay, medyo nagbi-build up yung ulan, pero masyado mababa yan. So, okay pa rin yan, October 3. And then Friday, October 4. Yung buong Friday yan, no? So, kasi minimeasure natin is yung 24 hours period. Merong 7.2 mm. So, makikita natin from Monday to Thursday, mas okay yung panahon. Pero pagdating ng Friday, may rain accumulation na 7.2 mm. Para sa akin, meron. Pero okay pa rin yan. Okay. And then Saturday ng weekend. Saturday, October 5, may 6.7 mm. Okay pa rin yan. October 6, Sunday, may 6.9 mm. Meron rain accumulation, pero hindi yan Baguio level. So, scattered rain shower lang yan. So, goods pa din. October 7, Monday, kung babalik na kayo ng Manila. So, generally, no, yung weekend natin sa Boracay is wala siyang bagyo. Kagaya ng mga naririnig natin sa Manila. 4.7 mm. So, okay yan. Goods yan. Pabalik sa Manila. Okay, that's it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para updated kayo sa next Boracay update.